Good morning people, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And let's start this video with some nudity. Yes, I was walking here and was like, oh, what's this? A naked man. YouTube, don't block me please. What's this? Peter Linde, 1988, Ecce Homo. I have no idea what this is about. Anyways, I'm out here. It's today the Friday the 23rd of January and I'm walking on Kungsholmen, Fleminggatan to be precise. As you can see, there's not so much snow here. There's still a few remains. The sun just went up. Hope everyone's doing good. Chat gang, what's up, what's up? It's freezingly cold. You can't really tell, but there's a very little nasty wind blowing, especially when I cross the bridge over there. Yeah. Hope everyone's doing good. So I'm on my way to one of Stockholm's most beautiful subway stations here on the blue line. Rådhuset, yes, which is basically the station after Central, T-Centralen, on the line between Alcala, Justa and Alcala and Kungsholmen. And some say this is Stockholm's most beautiful, like this building by the way, most beautiful station. The blue line in general, you know, is well known for being like an art exhibition. Am I walking into the right direction? Yes, I am. There's the entry. On Kungsholmen, it's always a bit tricky to find the stations. I'm always like going around like a headless chicken looking for the entries, because the entries are like inside the buildings. Let me get my backpack because my... One second folks, I'm just filming this with my phone because this was a bit spontaneous. I was like, oh, I'm downtown. Wait, sorry about that. Yeah, I love Kungsholmen. There's so many nice buildings here. There's a lot of history. And yeah, so speaking about history, the whole idea of this station, Rådhuset, which is named after the courthouse, which is very nearby. The loyal viewers of the channel, they know that I was walking close to Rådhuset, the actual courthouse, and then I realized it was a protected area where it's not allowed to film or take pictures. There was many big signs saying don't film, and I walked there, I didn't see it. Then I had two security guards running after me saying like, oh, you can't film here, what are you doing? So that was funny. This is one of the only times at my channel where I actually had to remove the video. They made me delete the footage. So yeah, this is the corner of Kungsholmsgatan and I don't know, whatever. Pepersgatan. Okay. Alright, let's go into the station, the Rådhuset, and let's see what the fuss is about. Is it really as nice as people say? Feels nice to be back out walking. Oh, it's much warmer in here. I can already feel it. So yeah, let's see if it's really like a cave. Okay, let's go down the stairs. I don't think this wire is supposed to be part of it, but anyway, let's go down here. It has several entrances, so let's check it out. I'm still trying to find my green card. Oh, there it is. Yes. Okay, no shops here. cool. I like the tiles. It almost gives a bit of a like a bathroom bathroom feeling, right? See it? It's quite nice. All right. Let's go into the dungeon. All right. It says here 102. Not really sure what that means. In all honesty, 102. Oh, check it out. Nice. It's like an arrow kind of shaped. See, and it's a bit of a slope here. It's going down. Oh, to be honest, I'm really sick of those YouTube shorts. I kind of enjoy doing them, but I don't really have the time to say what I want to say, because we all know I love talking, right? Oh, cool. See, this is like some old stones. I don't think this is cool. Supposed to be some shops here, but they're closed. What's this? Eritrean cuisine. Nice. All right. It's going down a bit more. Oh, here's a shop open. Lilla Kungsklippan. All right. So I can either go down there, or I can just check it out what's here. It's just a long... What's in here? I'm not really sure. Okay, no, actually let's go down. Let's go in, folks. All right. All right, here you can see all the blue line stations. So I am here. Rådhuset, so it's very close to T-centralen. This is a nice walk. When you go from T-centralen to Rådhuset, you can pass the city hall. See, and now it really feels like you're going inside the cave. See that? It's like the blue line is known for being very like deep underground. And the new stations they're building, for example, Plan, which is the green line right now, they're building like a station very deep. So under the station they were building a new station, kind of pretty cool. And the same thing goes towards, is it called Sofia or something? In the on Södermalm they're building a new station as well. It's hard to find out exactly which station goes to which line, and because Stockholm is growing and there's so many different things happening, projects, and they're all like 10-15 year long projects, so it's hard to keep track. So now we've come to the bottom level here. Oh, this is nice. See this? Pretty cool. And this as well. Oh, cool. Unfortunately, I don't have many battery left here in my video, so it won't be a long one. Cool. I think here it says a sign. Holistic cave station. The artist's concept is that the station should feature traces of the activities that previously existed on Kungsholmen. Alrighty. Rådhuset station. Lovely. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one.